Sales and distribution management. Sales force management. Sales is one of the toughest job out there simply because of the number of rejection involved to reach a sales target. You have to go against your better nature to make a sale. You need guts to pick up the phone, not knowing what your potential customer might answer. You need guts to approach someone whom you do not know just to pitch your product. And you need persistence to keep doing it time and time again so that you become an excellent salesperson. Basically, sales motivation is the inner feeling to work better to achieve better result. It is desire to do better than the best. Sales motivation. On an average, only a few prospectors out of 100 actually become clients, but because there are sales targets for your sales staff, they have to keep approaching new customer so that they can achieve sales target. Because of these unsure and hectic life of sales where performance is completely measurable against results, your sales staff requires sale motivation from time to time. Strategies to motivate your sales team. आप कैसे मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं अपनी सेल्स टीम को? आप कैसे मोटिवेट करोगे? Build trust with the people on your team. Ask your direct reports how they like to be managed. Understand your direct reports, personal and professional goals. Make sure they are covering the basics. Set daily, weekly and monthly goals. Figure out where the issues lies. ऐसे आप अपनी सेल्स टीम को मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं. Give great rewards. Let people pick their own rewards. Objective of sales motivation. To keep the spirits up. वो motivated रहेंगे. Due to the reason mentioned above, a salesperson might become demotivated and disinterested much easier than any other employee in the organization. As a result, sales motivation is the required maximum in the sales department so that the sales staff has a positive spirit towards sales. For example, if your sales employee is informed that he will be getting 3 months salary at once on overachieving a sales target, he will always have spirits up because he has received hope from the company in the form of remuneration or money he will be paid. This hope keeps his spirits up. Similarly, winning an award or any other type of action can result in sales motivation of your employee, keeping the spirits high for the growth of the company to achieve targets. This is no-brainer if your sales force is positive towards the target. They are achieved to achieve. Your organization will get better revenues from sales. More the revenue from sales, more is the bottom line of the company and more can be the future investment in the better product or services. अगर वो अपने टारगेट्स की तरफ पॉजिटिव रहेंगे तो अपनी कंपनी के लिए भी बहुत फ़ायदा होगा. There are many firms which have produced goods product but have lost market shares due to poor sales. Thus, motivating your sales force is important for the growth of the company, and there is actual profit when you are investing in the incentives for the sales force. To show importance of sales in the organization, तुम्हें अपनी सेल फोर्स को इम्पोर्टेंस भी बतानी है कि सेल की इम्पोर्टेंस क्या है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अगर सेल्स ही नहीं होएगी तो प्रोडक्ट बिकेगा ही नहीं. टू मेक देम ब्रेव, उनको ब्रेव बनाना है तभी वो सेल कर पाएंगे. टू इम्प्रूव कोऑर्डिनेशन विद इन अ टीम, कोऑर्डिनेटेड, पूरी टीम कोऑर्डिनेटेड होनी चाहिए, सारी एक ही तरफ जाएं, एक ही गोल की तरफ जाएं. टू डेवलप देयर स्किल्स, उनको अपने स्किल्स डेवलप करवाएं। उनको बार बार जब सेल्स करेंगे तो उनकी वैसे सेल्स स्किल्स इम्प्रूव हो जाएंगे। टू रीच मोर कस्टमर एंड कवर मोर टेरिटरी। थैंक यू। दिस इज़ द सेल्स मोटिवेशन फोर्स।